What is business transformation? It is important to understand how we drive business transformation at CPG Inc. But what exactly do we mean by business transformation? Essentially, in any organization, there are two driving forces: strategy and business as usual. At CPG Inc., strategy is all about the big changes and investing for the long term. This can include how we grow in a sustainable way, how we keep our customers and consumers satisfied, and importantly, how we look after our employees. Business as usual guides our near-term performance to achieve our longer-term ambitions. We do this through incremental change and continuous improvement to make us more efficient and effective. Shaping your business transformation. So, let's start with how you might shape a business transformation in the first place. Key elements to consider are: what is the problem you're trying to solve? What capabilities are needed? What are the potential risks? What is the best approach for implementation? What is the problem you're trying to solve? Change initiatives rarely begin with a clear understanding of the challenges and benefits involved. They start with assessing a need. Gather the data you need so that you can start with some safe assumptions. Think about the urgency of the change. Is it dictated by external forces, such as changes to legislation, or is it designed to get CPG Inc. closer to its business goals? What capabilities are needed? What are the capabilities you'll need to implement the program, including the right leadership to drive and sponsor the change? And what capabilities will employees need to make those changes sustainable in business as usual? What are the potential risks? When it comes to potential risks, consider: how predictable is the solution? How many benefits depend on employees doing things differently? And what happens if they don't? Have similar changes been successful in the past? If not, why not? What is the best approach for implementation? Once you've done enough data gathering, you'll need to think about the best approach for implementing the change. Consider the complexity, including the number of impacted business areas, geographies, and employees. Constraints in time, budget, people, systems, and infrastructure, and the bandwidth of our employees to absorb and embed the change. Setting your program up for success. Many programs deliver great things, such as new systems and processes. But if they're not adopted, there will be little or no return on investment. To achieve the results you need, make sure your program has 4 key elements in place: change leadership and sponsorship, program management, change communications. Change leadership and sponsorship focus on building coalitions of sponsors across impacted business areas and communicating directly with employees about what the change means for them. Program leaders are also responsible for authorizing funding and resources, decision-making, and removing barriers. Program management focuses on planning and coordinating all of the activities needed to deliver the benefits. Change management focuses on preparing, equipping, and supporting employees to embrace new solutions and ways of working so that benefits get delivered. And change communications are designed to build awareness and trust, managing messaging, audiences, and tactics to ensure that employees and stakeholders are confident they have the information and capabilities to support the change. Top tips. Use some of the CPG Inc. change diagnostic tools to help you understand the scale and complexity of the change. This will also help you define the size, structure, skills, and resources you need for your team. Use stage gates and quality assurance reviews, such as program health assessments, to check you're on course, and if not, to adjust your approach and plan. Wrapping up, we hope that you have learned a bit more about what it takes to drive strategic change. We need to make change as easy as we can for our employees, and positioning your program for success will help you achieve the outcomes you're aiming for. Find more information at www.change.cpg.inc. And if you need further help, we're here to support you.